A quiet shift is happening behind the scenes at Google, and almost nobody is talking about how big it could be. One internal decision may completely change Pixel performance, battery life, and connectivity forever. This isn't a cosmetic refresh or a minor spec bump. If the leaks are accurate, Pixel 11 could rewrite Google's smartphone playbook in a way that finally shocks the industry. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Now here's the wild part. The Pixel 10 hasn't even settled into people's pockets yet, and already the Pixel 11 whispers are getting louder, but this time the rumors feel different. Not flashy, not exaggerated, just quietly disruptive. One specific change could solve long-standing Pixel complaints that fans have learned to tolerate for years, and once you hear it, you'll understand why this matters more than a new camera lens or a shiny color option. According to multiple leak circles, Google may finally step away from Samsung's modem hardware. That alone would be huge, but what replaces it is where things get interesting. The Pixel 11 is rumored to use MediaTek's next Gen M90 modem, paired with the upcoming Tensor G6 chip. This wouldn't just be a supplier swap. It could be a performance reset. MediaTek's modem reportedly supports dual 5G connections at the same time, faster peak speeds, smarter signal management, and AI-driven efficiency tweaks that most people never see but definitely feel. Think about every Pixel complaint you've heard. Weak signal indoors, battery drain during mobile data use, warm phones while navigating or streaming. Now imagine those problems quietly disappearing. Not with marketing buzzwords, but with real-world improvements that show up in daily use. That's the promise here, and it's why this rumor refuses to die. What makes this even more fascinating is the timing. Apple has started building its own modem ecosystem. Samsung still relies on Qualcomm for its top models. Meanwhile, Google seems ready to experiment instead of playing it safe. If the Pixel 11 pulls this off, it won't just be better for Pixel users. It could force the entire Android ecosystem to rethink who controls connectivity. And just when you think this story is only about internals, the Pixel 11 hardware leaks start stacking up. The larger Pro model is expected to push display boundaries with a massive OLED panel that feels almost edge-to-edge, smoother than ever, brighter outdoors, and tuned for long sessions without eye strain. Scrolling could feel effortless, animations more lifelike, and once you get used to it, going back might feel impossible. Cameras, of course, are where Google never stays quiet for long. The Pixel 11 series is expected to lean heavily into AI-assisted photography again, but not in gimmicky ways. Cleaner low-light shots, sharper zoom without digital artifacts, more natural skin tones, and video stabilization that feels almost cinematic. The goal seems less about chasing megapixels and more about making every shot look intentional, even when it isn't. Underneath it all, Tensor G6 is rumored to focus less on raw benchmark numbers and more on real intelligence. Faster on-device processing, smarter voice recognition, improved live translation, and AI features that work instantly instead of feeling like demos. The idea is simple. Your phone should feel like it understands you, not like it's constantly trying to catch up. Battery life might quietly be the biggest winner here. Between a more efficient modem, refined AI scheduling, and smarter background management, Pixel 11 could finally deliver all-day usage without anxiety. Add faster wired charging, reliable wireless charging, and reverse charging for accessories, and suddenly the Pixel feels practical in ways fans have been asking for years. Software is where Google plans to stretch its advantage even further. The Pixel 11 is expected to launch with a deeply refined Android experience and extended update support that makes upgrading feel optional instead of necessary. This isn't just about new features. It's about trust. Buying a Pixel could mean committing to a device that actually improves over time. But here's the twist most people are missing. If Google successfully breaks away from Samsung's modem pipeline, it opens the door to future Pixels being more independent, more optimized, and less compromised by shared hardware decisions. That single shift could influence Pixel design, battery sizes, thermals, and even foldable development down the line. So the Pixel 11 might not scream innovation on day one, but it could quietly become the most important Pixel Google has ever released. Not because it looks different, but because it finally behaves the way people always wanted Pixel phones to behave. Now I'm curious what you think. Would better connectivity and battery life matter more to you than flashy camera upgrades? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you've been waiting for Google's real breakthrough moment, hit like so more Pixel fans see this. Stay subscribed, because this story is only getting started.